Hey, what's up, everybody? It's not a 51% crew. I'm gonna take a little live look at the chart right now for Bitcoin. It's now Friday, close of the U.S. market, and let's see where we're at. A little follow-up from yesterday. I took a long position at 10.2, and obviously that one got me stopped out. But I was just being aggressive in the market and took my chances on that. If it was going to bounce, that was the point it would have. But obviously, it blew right through the support after about an hour or so and stopped me out. So you win some, you lose some. I was like 6 positive for 1 negative, so I was 6 for 7 last week. So I was feeling pretty aggressive and took my chances and lost that one. But basically, what's going on right now is we're starting to see some support build up a little bit. And I took the fib from the last trend and drew it up and went with the trend. We're looking at a 4-hour candle on Bitfinex, and I noticed this is my since I took that loss on that last position. It was just a small one because obviously I got stopped out, but I took another long position here. Let's take a look at the hourly. What happened was I took a position here I'm at 8,400, I think. No, hold on, let me look. My other computer. 8,406. What happened was it came down here. I knew we started getting close to this 618, if you look at it, retracement on the last trend up. So I started going long here because I seen this bullish engulfing candle off of this pattern. So this was signaling to me that the trend was going to start to reverse. Even if it was just for a short bounce, I figured I was going to get in and get a short little trade in here, but I'm still into the trade now. I seen this pattern right here, this long green candle, that's a bullish engulfing over this red. So this is signaling to me that this trend was wanting to reverse, but it hadn't confirmed yet with a follow-up candle. So once it made the bounce, I entered the market here trying to catch a double bottom, and it bounced up for me, and I'm still in the trade right now. So where are we at now? What's going on? Should I hold this position or should I let it go and take it out? I don't really see a signal to sell. I'm not going to sell this position since I'm in at 8,400, and I'm going to go ahead and tuck my stop down here below this 618 fib. So since I'm in at 8,400 roughly, let's just use that for now. A couple bucks isn't going to matter. I'm going to tuck my stop in here for this support. Down here at, what's this? 8,024. So I'm going to stay in this and let's see if it reverses. I'll probably add to my position again because I added to it because I didn't quite get into a full position here. I added to it at this fib at 88.90. Actually, it was like 87 when it came down. I added to it in this zone. And a little pro tip for you. Generally, at the end of the close of the U.S. around 3:30 New York time, 4 o'clock, whatever there's more positions of, if the trend's going down and most people are short, they got to close their shorts to take profits for the day traders. So what does a short have to do? They have to buy. So that right there is what these two candles are. These started right around 3:30 U.S. time, roughly. And that's them closing up their short position. They had to buy to get out, take their profits. They're going out for the weekend, doing whatever, especially on a Friday. So a little pro tip for you. Whatever the trend direction is, at the close of the U.S. market generally, you can either get a sell-off or a bounce, depending on if they're short or long for the week. So that's a good little quick day trade for you if you want to get in and get out and make a quick buck, over an hour or so. That's something you can look for in the market. But the big question is, where are we going here? What's going on with Bitcoin? Let's go back here and take a look at the daily, see what we got here. So I'll get rid of that. That's my stop. On the daily, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days down in the red. If you look, we're going to see some type of bounce here. For the simple fact is Basing on this, when was the last time we had 5 actual red closed daily candles? This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That crash was pretty hard. But if you look back, that was the last time I think we had 5 maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. We had 3 here. We had 2 here, you know. So we're bound to see some type of market bounce. Whether it's a bull trap or not, you know, we haven't confirmed. But, you know, we're probably going to be bullish on the next candle here. Because, you know, this was a hard crash, obviously, from 20 grand. And that's 6 days down. And we're already into 1, 2, 3, 4. We're in the 5th day candle. We're about to close out soon. So the next candle is probably going to be bullish. Bear trap maybe. Bull trap maybe, whatever. Who knows? But we'll just have to take it as we see it. But as of now, I'm bullish on this market for the simple fact is when this trend up, we bounced roughly off the 618 and we're closing above the 50. So that's telling me that this market is bullish because we're closing above the 50 here. So let's go into the 4-hour and take another look. What do we got here? Hammer candle. Looks good. Doji, that's signaling a reversal. Possible, I should say, a possible reversal, but that's a good sign after a, you know, hammer candle. Then we have a green hammer, and now we have a doji. So some weren't believers, sold off a little bit, and now look what we have here. On the 4-hour, we have a bullish engulfing pattern. Looks good. That's telling me, okay, my RSI's heading north. Good sig. 4-hour MACD. Starting to curve up on us. You know, that looks good too. You know, 4-hour MACD looks like it's going to cross over because generally the thing with indicators are they're lagging. So you have to keep in mind that this isn't going to cross over and be bullish until it's kind of too late. So you got to catch this early if you're going to trade any type of indicator like MACD. Like I said, generally that's a lagging indicator. But it's looking good. You know, starting to curve up into the signal line, and hopefully it breaks through. That'll be the confirmation generally. We got a bullish engulfing pattern here. Got 2 hammers, a doji. That's bullish. The believers didn't believe, and now we have a bullish engulfing pattern. So this next confirmation candle on the 4-hour should confirm this bullish engulfing. So if that's it, if that is the case, I should say, I'm going to add even more to my position. Right now I'm only in about 60% of what I want, and I'll continue to buy this up as every signal gets bullish. You know, we really can't tell where the market's going, obviously, and you know, until we get some more information here. But that's where I'm at now. You know, hopefully that's looking good. That's looking good. Bullish engulfing's looking good. You know, that's just what I'm thinking, how I'm reading it. You know, I'm interpreting this. So I guess we'll have to see how the weekend goes. And you know, I might do another video tomorrow. I got some errands to do, running around and stuff. But I'll try to fit one in for you guys. That's about it. So let me hop off here and you know, get my week closed up and catch you guys on the weekend.